Good morning, my name is Luis Gabriel Peñarando Olave and I'm going to make a video tutorial about how you're going to do the activity in the application of Sway. Please remember that you have to enter to your account of the school and then in the applications you're going to search for the Sway application. In the Sway application you enter to a new Sway. In here you are going to be able to write the title of your Sway. So in this case I'm going to write my hobbies. Then in the plus button you're going to click it here and you have to click image. In image you're going to choose all the images that you're going to upload. So I'm going to upload this first image here that is in my computer, and I'm going to write a small sentence here. This is an anime about magical powers. Okay, then I'm going to click the plus again, image, and I'm going to my computer to search for the second image, and I put it here, and this is my favorite video game called League of Legends. And finally the last one, you click the plus again, image, and then you go to your computer and you search for your last image, and I'm going to write this is Pokemon XYZ and called my attention because I loved the opening. Okay, when you finish you can go back here to my hobbies, click the plus again, and you have going to create a text. Why? In this text you can copy the Buckaroo recording. So you go to Buckaroo, you record the explanation of your activity, then you copy the link, you go to Sway again, you paste the link, and you can write here, this is the link about the explanation of my activity. Remember, whenever you click a link or you copy a link, you have to go to the end of the link, click enter, so you can activate the link. Okay, there. So now as you can see, you can go to show, and in here you're going to see how your Sway is going to look like. You can edit it here in this button if you want to change something, and also you can here in edit you can go to design and choose different designs for your poster. I'm going to go to styles and I'm going to choose a different style for my background. So I want this one, but I want a different background. Okay, so this one. And there you go. So this is the final, you click show, and this is the final way that you're going to see the image. As you can see the images, the explained sentences. Here is the link of the Buckaroo explanation. So this is my example, and here is how has to look the activity that you have to do today. Remember that minimum you have to upload 3 images and maximum 5 of you doing the activity. Remember that the delivery date for this activity is on Monday 13 at 6 p.m. maximum. Okay, so you're going to have several days so you can finish this activity properly. When you finish, you're going to click in share, and this link you're going to copy it in an Excel file that I'm going to activate in the PI teams. Okay, so tomorrow I'm going to activate the PI team so you can copy this link. Okay, if you have any questions, please remember that you can ask me only writing in the chat, because in this morning at this moment I am in class, so I cannot answer any call. I can maybe answer some questions in the chat, or I can answer your doubts and questions in the 3:15 for 4:30 that I am in the chat so I can clear any doubts that you have. I hope this video tutorial was functional for you guys. Hope to see you in the next classes. Bye bye. See you later.